Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Government funding for universities should only be provided for the best student, as scholarships and all other funding for universities should come from tuition fees and private organizations. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Funding the education of the most talented ones by the government must be prioritized, as they are the scholars. This support can alleviate their financial burden. Consequently, they will get more exposure, further contributing their services for the nation after completing their education. However, if the rest of the funds come from tuition fee of the pupils, and private organizations can create unhealthy environment in the university, which creates problems in the long run. To start with the need to provide scholarship to the scholars, the reward to the academic excellence encourages others to focus on study, which sets an example for others. These scholarships help the outstanding students to pursue their higher education without financial burden, which attracts students from poor background. Additionally, merit-based funding encourages innovation and research, and these bright students get opportunities and the results contribute to the society. However, limiting government funding to only the best students creates inequality in education, as the most intelligent ones are not restricted to the economically weaker society. There are many students with average academic performance may lack financial resources, ultimately forcing them to drop out if cannot pay the fee. This widens the gap between rich and the poor, ultimately gives birth to partial approach in education. Moreover, the university funding is not confined to scholarship given to the pupils only, rather it is for infrastructure, research facilities, faculty salaries, and student support programs. If the universities rely only on tuition fee and private funding, then the education may be more expensive and unaffordable to many students. In conclusion, there is need to have balanced approach. The funds must be utilized to encourage not only the scholars but to help students from different backgrounds who deserve them. The universities cannot and should not rely entirely on tuition fees and private organizations, but the government funding is essential to maintain accessibility, affordability, and quality in higher education. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.